morning, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur. I'm going to teach you English literature in your 5th class in this new session. And today we are going to start with the novel Mowgli. Mowgli, as all of you are aware with this name, isn't it? Yes, as child, all of you are such a fan of animated characters, cartoon characters like Mowgli and so on. So, Mowgli novel is written by Rudyard Kipling and retold by Jenny Dewey. So let us get an information regarding the writer and introduction about the novel. Firstly, let us read about Joseph. Joseph Rudyard Kipling, a British poet, short story writer and a novelist, is famous for his tales for children. Underline this: British poet, short story writer and a novelist. He is famous for his tales for children. He writes so many tales for children. Kipling was born in Bombay, India in 1865 and a happy childhood living among the wonderful sights and the sounds of India. He born in Bombay in 1865, underline it, and had a happy childhood living among the wonderful sights, as India is famous for its wonderful sights. But at the age of 6, he was sent to a foster home in England. The difficult experience of those years affected the writing he did later in his life. When he go far away from home, he got disturbed. The headmaster at his boarding school in England encouraged him to write, and at 16, when he returned to India, he became a newspaper writer. But his headmaster encouraged him to write, so he started writing and returned to India. When he returned to India, he became a newspaper writer. Underline this also. In 1892, Kipling married and moved with his wife to Vermont, USA. Underline this line. 1892, he married with and moved to Vermont, USA. He had 2 daughters and he wrote the Jungle Book in 1894. Underline this very important line, Jungle Book. And the second Jungle Book he wrote in 1895. This one you have underlined. His tales of Mowgli are most famous for these stories about the Indian jungle. His tales of Mowgli are very famous and are very familiar with Indian jungle. In 1896, he and his wife returned to England where their son was born. 1896, both husband and wife returned to England from America where their son was born. Captain Courageous was published the following year and his Indian spy novel Kim was published in 1901. Captain Courageous was published in the same year, 1896, when his son was born. And the spy novel, detective novel Kim, published in 1901. Underline this one also. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907 but refused the position of British Poet Laureate. He was awarded with Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907, very important line, but he refused the position of British Poet Laureate. Kipling travelled and wrote until his death in London in 1936 at the age of 72. He died at the age of 72, underline it. But until that year, 1936, he continued with his writing and travelling both. His autobiography, Something of Myself, which he wrote in 1935, was published after his death. So this is all about the Rudyard Kipling. Here are some questions. Please do them yourself. Very easy. You have to find their answers from this paragraph. Questions like kinds of literature did Kipling write? When did Kipling begin to write? What influenced Kipling writing later in his life? What did Kipling do when he returned to India? Where did Kipling write the Jungle Books? And in what year did Kipling win the Nobel Prize for Literature? What position did Kipling refuse to accept? So, let us get a knowledge about the characters. This novel consists of the characters like Bagheera, Mowgli, Kaa, Bhalu, Bagheera is a black panther. Okay. Mowgli a boy, and Kaa is a python snake. Bhalu bear. Meshua's husband. These are the local persons there. Sher Khan tiger. Father wolf. Mother wolf. Grey brother again wolf. Akela also a wolf. So these are the characters in your novel, and in next video we are going to start the chapter 1, the man cub. So this is all about the introduction of novel. Thank you.